Good morning, students. Myself Minakshi, your biology teacher from Sanskar Valley Public School. Hope you all are fine. So, in yesterday's class, we have discussed about epithelial tissue from animal tissue part. Hope you have understood well. Okay, so today we're going to deal with connective tissue, that is the second animal tissue we're going to discuss. Okay, in connective tissue, let me give some brief introduction about the connective tissue before going deep into that. So you can see connective, the name indicate connective means it connects something, right? So this connective tissue is a specialized tissue in our body which connect and anchor various body organs, like it can connect bone to bone, it can connect muscle to bone, or it can connect tissue to टिश्यू. ठीक है, ये एक तरह का स्पेशल टिश्यू है हमारी बॉडी में जो कि वेरियस बॉडी ऑर्गन्स को जोड़ के रखता है, चाहे वो बोन टू बोन हो, चाहे वो मसल टू बोन हो, या टिश्यू टू टिश्यू हो. ठीक है, ये कनेक्टिव टिश्यू इट ऑल्सो गिव वेरियस बॉडी पार्ट्स अ सपोर्ट. ठीक है, द कनेक्टिव टिश्यू गिव सपोर्ट टू वेरियस बॉडी पार्ट्स बाय फॉर्मिंग अ पैकेजिंग surrounding, clear, so that they do not get displaced while their movement. अगर कोई बॉडी ऑर्गन मूवमेंट कर रहा है तो यही कनेक्टिव टिश्यू उसके सराउंडिंग में एक पैकेजिंग मटेरियल तैयार करता है ताकि वो अपनी जगह से डिस्प्लेस ना हो. सो यू कैन से इट कैन प्रोवाइड सपोर्ट टू द वेरियस बॉडी ऑर्गन ड्यूरिंग देयर मूवमेंट सो दैट दे डू नॉट गेट डिस्प्लेस्ड. क्लियर? ओके, सो कनेक्टिव टिश्यू के अंदर, द कनेक्टिव टिश्यू के अंदर एक जेल लाइक सब्सटेंस प्रेजेंट होता है जिसको हम बोलते हैं मैट्रिक्स. क्लियर? सो connective tissue consists of a gel like substance which is known as matrix. This matrix is fibrous type and it is non living in nature. So matrix can be solid or it can be liquid, right? Solid as in case of bone, cartilage, and it is in fluid or liquid form in case of blood. So let's get started with the connective tissue. So the first example, going into the detail, let me give you a brief introduction also about the types of connective tissue so that you can understand very well, right? So in connective tissue is get divided into 5 types. Number 1, areolar loose connective tissue. I'm repeating, areolar loose connective tissue. Second, dense areolar connective tissue. Third, adipose tissue. Fourth, skeletal tissue, and the last one is fluid connective tissue. So connective tissue get divided into 5 parts. Number 1, areolar. Number 2, dense areolar. Number 3, adipose. Number 4, skeletal, and number 5, fluid. So going sequence by sequence, let's start. Blood is a type of connective tissue. Why would it be called connective tissue? A clue is provided in the introduction of this chapter. Now, let us look at this type of tissue in some more detail. The cells of connective tissue are loosely spaced and embedded in an intercellular matrix. The matrix may be jelly-like, fluid, dense, rigid. The nature of matrix differ in concordance with the function of particular connective tissue. Yes, I've already told you in my introduction about the connective tissue that this connective tissue, why it could be called as connective tissue, because it connects various parts, body parts, right? So, and it also consists of a matrix which is gel-like substance. I told you it can be a jelly-like, it can be a fluid, it can be solid, it can be rigid, right? So they have given an example an activity ki take a drop of blood on the slide and observe different types of cell present in it under the microscope. So this activity we will perform when classes get started in the school.